Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Balamurugadas. Thanks for joining and hope you're enjoying Testflix. And my talk today is Testers Independence Day. So let's quickly jump into the topic. So, are you really independent? This is the core question, the one main question that I wanted to ask through this talk. And the takeaways that I wanted to highlight is the traps, the fears that testers get into, how to get out of that, how to take charge of your career, how to take control of your career, be in charge. And then there is a surprise takeaway. Okay. So, time to calculate your fear score. If you are afraid, what if I lose my job? What will I do? If you are afraid that, hey, I don't have any certification, what should I do? Hey, will AI replace my job? I don't know anyone outside my team, or I don't know how to present at conference or meetups, or there are so many tools. I hardly know one or two. If these are your fears, add one to each of these, calculate your fear score and put it in the comments in terms of fear score, the total number of points. Okay. Now, see, the year is 2023, correct? If those fears you had highlighted in the year maybe like 2000, 2005, I would have kind of sympathized, empathized with you, saying, yeah, yeah, I can understand your fears and all of it. This is 2023. Help is available. There is nothing to fear. Trust me. And you will soon discover in the upcoming slides as well. Now let's calculate your trap score. If you say I don't have dedicated learning hours outside of office hours, I wake up, go to office, come back, then the cycle repeats. There's nothing else I do at home for learning, put a 1. This is my first conference as an attendee, put a 1. I've suffered from back pain, neck pain in the last 2 months due to my posture, put a 1. I never went on a vacation or a break in the last 6 months, add 1. I don't have a one-on-one setup with my lead or manager. I don't even know my goals at work. Keep adding 1. So go through all of these and put 1 for each of the traps that you have intentionally or unintentionally fallen into. Don't worry about what others will think. That is also one more trap that we are famous for. Hey, what will others think if I say I have so many traps? It's okay. No one is going to come and pay your bills. It is you who has to pay the bills, correct? So focus on just yourself in this talk. If you have changed more than 2 jobs in the last 1 year, add 1. Some problems have made you change, correct? So that's also okay. Just put 1. Some background story about me. I've also gone through similar fears, traps. I also wrote and executed test cases before my manager started trusting me more and said, okay, Ajay, from now on, don't execute or don't write any test cases first. I also attended an interview, failed miserably before I started getting hired. Without any formal interviews, I've changed 7 to 8 jobs in like my 17 years journey. First interview after college I gave, after that, no interviews. My legs also shivered when I presented in meetups before I got invited to conferences. I also missed production bugs. P1 was raised by customers, not even P1, P0. They were raised by customers. Now I'm managing projects. I also did not know automation. Then now I'm managing automation projects as well, right? My articles and talks, I used to receive that email. Oh, your proposal not selected. And now I also get invited to conferences. I also made a lot of mistakes compared to today, where I'm still making mistakes, but at least not to that extent where I used to make so many mistakes before. I'm improving day by day. I couldn't sit for few hours, stand for minutes due to pain, lower back pain, the famous IT lower back pain. And now I've completed 2 5K, 2 10K. Every month I'm running at least one of these. So if you want to know how I escaped all the usual traps, fears that we discussed so far and become truly independent, do what you want to do. Enjoy what you are doing. Stay tuned. There is lots of actionable tips for you. So let's get started. No one is going to help you till you help yourself. Not even James Bark, Michael Bolton. No one. Okay. Change is hard at first, messy in the middle, gorgeous at the end. See, all this while you have not done that, whatever it is, learning, security testing, getting better at understanding DevOps and the tools associated with the pipelines. You have not done it. Now you are trying to do it, right? Initially, it will be very hard. Then you will get confused. Then you will struggle. And later you will enjoy. You can't reverse the order. Okay? Tools will come and go. Tools are getting updated. They are releasing versions, upgrades. But if you say no, I'll stay wherever I am, it doesn't work out. It's a continuous process. There are enough jobs for the skilled, for those who are worrying about jobs, right? If you're skilled, there is a job for you. If you're not skilled, there is a place for you to get skilled. Trust me. Those years when we were starting, internet was costly and we did not even have enough resources. Now, most of it is free or at a throwaway price. So go for that. You will never learn everything. Be at peace with this statement. The sooner you are at peace with this statement that, oh, I can't learn everything, is it, in this lifetime? The sooner you be at peace with that statement, life will be super peaceful. Comparing yourself, comparing your journey to someone else's journey and worrying is the first step to pain. Okay. You want pain? Please compare. Whether be it salary, be it designation, be it the success, be it the accolades, whatever. Compare, struggle. You want to struggle, compare. Start comparing. You'll struggle left, right, center. AI is not new. AI has been there for years, is here to stay and will continue. Okay. And it can be a good intern if you know how to use it. It will listen to you. But you also need to upskill yourself. Stop talking about manual versus automation. There is a great need for automation. No denying that. Automation will be there. Good automation, how to use automation for beyond execution, all that is in your hands. Okay. You can specialize in other quality criteria also if you have an hate relationship with automation. Practice regularly 4 things. Writing about testing, reading about testing books, speaking about testing, and then finally practicing testing. Take a product test. There are so many activities within the testing spectrum, right? Pick one of the activities, get 1% better today. Again, tomorrow, after 3 days, right? Because in the 3 days, you are doing the other thing, writing, reading, speaking, or whatever, right? So on the 4th day, repeat. In addition to testing, focus on evergreen skills, negotiation, communication, selling, marketing, storytelling. Ajay, but my current job doesn't require that. It requires API automation using REST Assured. That's fine. Learn API automation using REST Assured. Along with that, start investing towards learning these skills, because these will act as the differentiators between should you be promoted or the other person be promoted. Okay. Be a problem solver. Everyone comes with problems, and people are okay with those who bring problems, but people absolutely love those who also bring solutions with them. And stop running behind interviews. 2023, folks. Build your portfolio. Consistency beats everything. Your reputation will be improved. Your credibility will be established. People will come behind you for jobs. You need not go. Okay. Some more actionable tips. The X-ray that you see that caught your attention is of my back spinal cord. When the doctor saw this, He said, spinal cord, some curve should be there. Okay, I'm not denying that. But in your case, it is not lordosis, it is super lordosis, which means it is not just curved, it is highly curved due to posture. I couldn't stand, sit, I couldn't lift my own kids. Okay. It used to pain and I used to be like super stiff. But now, thanks to my personal trainer and paying attention to health, I've successfully completed two 5Ks, 5 kilometer runs, two 10 kilometer runs, one run every month for the last 4 months. So, what gives the confidence? Training and a mentor. So, invest in a mentor for your career too. The returns will outweigh the cost. See, the first month you will start thinking, is it worth it? Oh, I'm not seeing the benefits as such, but I'm paying so much. Second month you'll see, oh yeah, things seem to be getting better. The third month you'll be like, oh wow, this is great. Why did I not use these mentors before? Okay, you will get to that stage, but you need to cross the first 2 months or the first few sessions to get to that stage. Okay, you need to trust. Conferences, contests are not for everyone. Not a easy pill to solve. I mean, digest, but that's the hard truth. It is not as easy as it looks from outside. It needs regular practice and good skills. Writing is also a good option. Will you ever be able to learn all the tools available? No. Then why are you chasing so many tools? Why are you running so fast? Networking is easy if you focus on adding value to the other person. Your first ping should never be to ask for help. Take care of health, folks. So, what next? How can you be independent? True independence will be gained in 5 steps. First, know yourself, who you are, not the persona that you're projecting to the world. The real you, who you are. What do you like? What you don't like? What are you good at? Where you need to improve? Focus on that. Make a note of it. Align your goal along these lines. Define your goal and the systems. Many people want to improve, are not happy with the current state, want to improve. Okay. But when I ask them, do you know when you will improve or when you would have achieved your goal? They say, I don't know, because they don't have a goal at all. Right. So don't be like that. Have a goal. What are your systems to help you achieve the goals? Systems are super critical. Atomic habits, James Clear. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems or habits. Do a POC, just like software projects, do a POC with your syllabus and life. Are you willing to experiment, let go of the bad habits, work with a mentor, learn what's required, put in the effort, test it out with a POC. Take feedback, work on that feedback. Correct? And then see the results. And of course, these results will vary from person to person because it depends a lot on the attitude, hard work, and skills. So true independence can be gained in 5 easy steps, whatever be your goal. See, I say to my colleagues, I say to my friends who come for mentorship, I say, if you have a goal, I have a plan. And it is this. Know yourself, define your goal and systems, do a POC, work on feedback, see the results. Simple. We can guide you, but you have to do your homework. We can motivate you, but you need to take the first step. We can give you feedback, but what you say to yourself matters more than anything else. Trust and stay for the long game. It eventually works out in your favor. With that, happy Independence Day. And my dear tester, be independent, stay independent, and succeed in life. Thank you.